Did you know that baking soda, that humble kitchen staple, has been a go-to remedy since the 1800s? It's not just for baking or keeping your fridge smelling fresh. This ordinary white powder has some extraordinary health benefits that have been tapped into for generations. Today, we're diving into the increasingly popular trend of drinking baking soda water. You might wonder, why would anyone drink baking soda? Well, it turns out that this simple mixture is gaining attention for some pretty impressive health benefits. Benefits that many of us are completely unaware of. Common problems like acidity and indigestion frequently interfere with our daily lives in our fast-paced environment. Many find that in order to relieve their agony, they turn to over-the-counter drugs. That many people are returning to natural medicines, though, is not surprising. Baking soda water is gaining popularity due to its capacity to neutralize stomach acid and its accessibility, simplicity, and efficacy. If you're curious about how this simple solution can make a significant impact on your health, stick around as we explore the top 8 ways that drinking baking soda water might just be the remedy you didn't know you needed. Let's talk about something we've all faced at some point: heartburn, or that uncomfortable burning sensation in your stomach after a meal. It's a common complaint, especially after indulging in spicy or acidic foods. Now there's a simple household item that could offer some relief: baking soda. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is more than just a baking ingredient. It's a quick remedy for heartburn. When you drink baking soda mixed with water, it reacts with the acid in your stomach. This reaction forms salt, water, and carbon dioxide, which leads to a decrease in stomach acidity. The result? Less burning and more comfort. A mixture consisting of baking soda and water can be consumed as a kind of natural antacid. It alleviates symptoms by rapidly neutralizing gastric acid. Not only is this technique easily accessible, but it also functions quickly and efficiently, which is why it has been utilized for decades. Using natural remedies like baking soda water means you're taking a small yet effective step toward managing your digestive health without immediately resorting to medications. It's about giving you control over those minor yet annoying daily discomforts. Of course, like any remedy, the key is in how you use it. A little baking soda goes a long way. Just half a teaspoon in a full glass of water after a meal can help manage the acid levels in your stomach, making you feel better naturally. Next time that familiar discomfort starts creeping up after a meal, remember, a simple glass of baking soda water might be just what you need to find relief and get back to enjoying your day. It's easy, effective, and has stood the test of time as a trusted home remedy. Ever wonder how athletes manage to continuously push themselves to the edge, particularly during high-stakes competitions? It turns out that baking soda is a surprisingly common ingredient that may improve athletic performance. Indeed, the same baking soda you use in your kitchen might serve as an athlete's covert tool. This is how it operates. Our muscles create lactic acid during high-intensity exercises, which results in the well-known burning and exhaustion sensation. Sodium bicarbonate, or baking soda as it is technically called, buffers these acids. When athletes consume baking soda mixed with water before exercising, it can help delay muscle fatigue by neutralizing the excess acid that builds up during strenuous activity. This means they can run faster, swim longer, or cycle harder before they start feeling tired. There's real science backing this up. Studies have shown that sodium bicarbonate can enhance endurance and performance in athletes, especially during short bursts of high-intensity exercise. It's about giving your body that extra edge when it counts the most. Now, this doesn't mean you should start downing baking soda before every workout. Like any supplement, it's important to use it correctly and in moderation. Athletes often use carefully measured doses tailored to their weight and the intensity of the exercise they'll be performing. Next time you see athletes performing at their peak and wonder how they manage to keep going, remember, baking soda might just be part of their strategy. It's fascinating how something so simple and common can have such a powerful impact on performance. Whether you're a professional athlete or just someone looking to improve your workout results, this might be a trick worth trying. Let's delve into a lesser-known benefit of baking soda that might come as a surprise: its potential role in supporting kidney health. For those managing chronic kidney disease, maintaining the right balance of chemicals in the blood is crucial, and baking soda might just play a helpful part in this. Chronic kidney disease can lead to a condition known as metabolic acidosis, where there's too much acid in the body due to the kidneys not being able to maintain the proper balance. This is where baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, steps in. It's known for its ability to neutralize acids, which is exactly what it does in the bloodstream when taken in appropriate amounts. When consumed, baking soda reacts with the acids in the blood, helping to raise the body's pH and bring it back towards normal levels. This doesn't just help with acid balance. It can also slow the progression of kidney disease. Keeping the body's internal environment stable can make a significant difference in the health and functioning of the kidneys. This isn't just a theory, there's clinical evidence backing it up. Studies have shown that patients with chronic kidney disease who included a proper dose of baking soda in their regimen were able to better manage their condition and slow the progression of the disease compared to those who did not. However, it's important to approach this remedy with caution. Baking soda therapy should be done under the supervision of a healthcare professional, especially for individuals with kidney disease, to ensure the correct dosage and prevent any complications. If you or someone you know is managing kidney health issues, it might be worth discussing with a doctor whether baking soda could be a beneficial addition to the treatment plan. It's amazing to think that such a common household item could have such a profound impact on our health. Let's talk about a common but often painful condition: gout. Gout is a type of arthritis that can cause intense pain and swelling, mainly affecting the joints. It occurs when uric acid builds up in the blood and forms sharp crystals in the joints. Sounds painful, right? Well, it turns out that a simple kitchen staple, baking soda, might help manage some of these symptoms. The capacity of baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, to raise bodily fluid pH levels is well known. This helps to lessen the acidity of bodily fluids, which is very helpful for gout sufferers. The body can more easily eliminate the troublesome uric acid crystals that build up in the joints and result in gout flare-ups and discomfort when the acidity lowers. While baking soda can be helpful, it's important to use it thoughtfully and in moderation. Overusing baking soda can lead to other health issues, so it's vital to get the balance right. Incorporating baking soda into your gout management plan should be done under the guidance of a healthcare provider to ensure it complements other treatments and dietary adjustments. Managing gout effectively often requires more than just one remedy. It includes dietary changes like reducing intake of high-purine foods, staying hydrated, and possibly medication prescribed by your doctor. Baking soda could be a part of this bigger picture, helping you manage the condition more effectively. If you're battling with gout, it might be worth discussing with your doctor the possibility of adding baking soda to your management plan. Remember, every little step can help in reducing discomfort and preventing future gout attacks. It's about finding what works best for you and tackling gout from multiple angles. Let's explore an intriguing aspect of baking soda that's currently under research: its potential to aid in the effectiveness of chemotherapy. We all know how challenging cancer treatment can be, and finding ways to improve these treatments is a continual process. Chemotherapy, a common treatment for cancer, works by targeting and killing fast-growing cancer cells. However, it's not always completely effective, partly because the acidic environment around tumors can sometimes hinder the medication's ability to do its job. This is where baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, comes into the picture. Some initial studies have suggested that baking soda might be able to make the environment around tumors less acidic by neutralizing some of the acidity. Baking soda could potentially help chemotherapy drugs perform better. This means that the drugs could reach and attack the cancer cells more effectively, potentially improving the outcomes of the treatment. But it's important to handle this information carefully. Although these results are encouraging, they are not yet definitive, because this field of study is still in its early stages. Without medical advice, using baking soda to increase chemotherapy effectiveness is not generally advised. It's a complex interplay, and the body's response to cancer treatment can vary widely from one individual to another. If you or someone you know is undergoing chemotherapy and you're curious about the role of baking soda, it's essential to have a detailed discussion with your healthcare team. They can provide guidance based on the latest research and what's best for your specific situation. It's always exciting to see where research might lead us, especially when it could improve crucial treatments like chemotherapy. But remember, the journey from promising preliminary studies to standard treatment can be long and requires thorough validation and testing. Who knew that baking soda, a simple kitchen staple, could offer so many benefits? Whether you're cleaning your home or even boosting your health, this little powder packs a powerful punch. If you found a new appreciation for baking soda or learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating insights. Thanks for watching. Insightful inspiration. And remember, sometimes the most profound magic is found in the simplest things.